Can it be a return if you never left? What's that word, YouTube? The Real Rick Rob. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Bruh, ain't even been gone. Motherfuckers act like bruh been gone 2 years. How long ago Devin Haney lost? About 3-4 months. Y'all got it, man. Ain't no return. How you gonna return to something you never left? Man just been in the gym. Now, who y'all think he should fight next, though? Drop it down in the comment section, man. Real Rick Rob, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man.